How to get a loan on Nayapay. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can secure a loan through Nayapay. So it is basically hassle-free process that can be completed in a few straightforward stages. To begin, it's important to understand what Nayapay is and what is required to qualify for a loan. So Nayapay is a digital finance platform that offers a variety of services, including access to personal loan for its users. In order to apply, you must be a registered member of the platform and maintain a solid credit record. First step is to create an account on the Nayapay platform if you haven't signed up already. So this will require you to input your personal and financial details, including your full name, residential address, and income information. You'll also need to complete an identity verification process and submit documents that prove your earnings. Then step 2, you're going to check your eligibility for a loan. Log into your Nayapay account and go to the loan section. Here the system will prompt you with several questions to assess your financial reliability. Based on your responses, you'll receive a list of loan options that you qualify for. Step 3, you're going to choose a loan package and proceed with the application. You'll need to specify the amount you wish to borrow, select a repayment timeline, and accept the terms and conditions associated with the loan. Nayapay will then evaluate your application and inform you of their decision. Step 4 is you get to receive your funds and start repayment. Once your application is approved, the approved loan amount will be credited to your Nayapay account. You're free to use the money as necessary and should follow the agreed repayment plan. It's crucial to make your payments on time to avoid penalties and protect your credit rating. To improve your chances of approval and ensure a smooth process, always provide complete and truthful information. Keep your credit profile in good standing and carefully read through all loan terms. Only borrow what is necessary and have a clear repayment strategy in place. By following these guidelines, you can confidently access a loan through Nayapay and take a step closer to reaching your financial objectives. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.